Hello flower lovers, this is Joan of Art and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will be teaching you how to make your simple cake into a fancy one. And of course, we will be using fresh flowers to decorate our cake. There are only few things that we need. First, the cake. Second, the flowers that you can also get from your garden. Next is the aluminum foil to cover the stem and any chocolate of your choice. And don't forget the cutter or scissor to cut our flowers. And before shooting this video, I already pre-cleaned the flowers without the use of soap. I washed the stems thoroughly, and after washing, I pat it dry with the kitchen towels. This is a very fun thing to do, and even the kids will love it too. First, I'm going to cut few flowers that I'm planning to use for the cake. I won't be needing anything much because my cake is so small. And also, I will be showing you two kind of designs. One is the simple and elegant, and the second is fun and extravagant. Just a reminder, friends, this is my own style and my own way on decorating the cake. Every artist have their own ways and techniques on how to make their designs, just like me. There's no specific way on doing this thing. Just cover the stem and that's perfect. And it's my friend's birthday today, Rachel. And I want to surprise her with this simple gift of mine. I was planning to bake for her a cake, but I just remembered that she's better than me, so I just bought one. Doing the whole process is more longer than the designing itself, so just be patient and we'll get there. It's better to prepare everything before designing. I guarantee you that it will be the most easiest and fun thing to do when you are designing your cake. If you are in Oman and you're watching this, just a quick reminder that here in Las Claritas, we are also decorating cakes. We are selling fresh flowers, artificial. We are doing best cautious in Oman, and everyone is always welcome to come here and pass by. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also click on that ring bell on the side so you'll get a notification when I'm uploading new videos. As per my experience, not everyone is putting foil on the flowers, so directly they are putting the flowers on the cake. But I'm just having this OCD, disorder, and I want everything to be clean, and I don't want my cake to be contaminated. It's my friend and she will be eating this, and I don't want her to get sick. But you have a choice. Like what I said, not everyone is doing the same thing. So if you think that you are okay with not putting foils, then do it. And that's no problem at all. Well, I believe that hard work pays off. So, yay, finally! And let's go and design the cake now. Let's do this. Just keep your cool, we're almost there. And don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. And to all my subscribers around the world, I thank you for always watching my videos, and I promise you that I will be always teaching you techniques on how to be more creative using fresh and artificial flowers. And like what I said, designing is more fun and not boring. So enjoy watching. Oops, and I want to take this over there in the front. And now I achieved what I wanted. Perfect. And this is your simple, classy, elegant cake. And now let's add more fun to this lovely cake. Adding this chocolate bar of my choice. Just have fun. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat. By the way, just to let you know, I clean my hands before doing this. And I also put a butterfly to make it look more fun. And last but not the least, it will never be a happy birthday cake without the candle. And this is the finished product of our fun and extravagant cake. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something from me today. Thanks for watching. See ya!